Oh, awesome.
We gave 5 brave DIYers a challenge. We'd send them one mystery item plus $50, and they'd have to give that item a stylish new look. We sourced our products from home stores, thrift shops, bargain bins, even the office prop closet. Then we shipped one item to each DIYer to see what genius ideas they came up with.
Hey there, this is Chelsea from Lovely Indeed. This is our little dog Coco. And I am a DIY blogger at lovelyyindeed.com, which is a blog that I founded almost 10 years ago, all about all of the lovely things in life and DIY and family and travel and just everything that I love. I am so excited to be part of the Apartment Therapy Challenge, and I'm mostly just really excited to open the box and see what's inside. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Okay. Here's what we have. A good old-fashioned doormat. Okay, so initial thoughts. It's nice and big, so there's like a big canvas. I don't just want to do kind of what everybody does with a doormat, which is like paint the cute black wording on it and call it a day. I think I want to do something a little more creative and hopefully more colorful is my first thought. We have a yellow door, a yellow front door, so maybe something that could play well with that yellow front door design-wise and just really make our front porch happy, like a happy place. My second thought is that it could be fun to change the shape somehow. I'm not sure if this material will cut, but I think it could be cool to try so that we end up with something that's not just a rectangle. Okay, we're back. I did some thinking, I did some brainstorming, I did some troubleshooting, and I did a little shopping for just a couple things that I didn't have, and I think I have a really fun idea. We're going to make this rectangular doormat into a rainbow. So the plan is we're going to try to cut an arch out of the top of this. So it'll be kind of a wide rainbow. And I was brainstorming a few different cutting ideas, like maybe a saw or maybe heavy duty scissors, but I think I'm just gonna try a box cutter on the back side first. Okay, well that was super easy, like shockingly easy. A box cutter cut right through the back of that really thick rubber and the fibers came right apart. Does anybody else just like working on the floor? We're doing this on the floor. That's how we're rolling with this. So it's time to mask. I just have some regular masking tape. I tried it out and I think it'll be sticky enough to mask the places where we don't want color. And what we're going for is 5 individual color stripes with natural fibers showing in between the stripes so the colors are not touching. So I think what I'm gonna do is mask them all first. And then once I start spray painting, I'll cover the stripes that I don't want to be painting with just like a big piece of cardboard or paper and cross my fingers. Okay, so we're all masked. Now we're gonna move it outside so we can spray paint without creating fumes inside here. And I just wanted to talk real quick about the colors that I chose and why. So I do love color, but I don't necessarily love the look of a traditional rainbow, that Roy G. Biv. So whenever I do rainbows, I try to pick variations on those colors. So we're gonna do like an aqua, a light robin's egg, my favorite color yellow, a pink and a coral. And I find that that's a really great way to like get a lot of color in but not have that rainbow look. I also think that I'm gonna start with the blues on the top instead of starting with like the pinks and the reds on the top to kind of flip it a little bit and again, just do a little bit of a variation on the rainbow theme. All right, we've moved outside. I've masked everything except for the color that I'm gonna paint and we're gonna start with our first stripe. But the trick with this is every time you paint a new stripe, you also have to mask the one that you just painted along with all the other ones. So it's a process of a lot of masking and unmasking, but I think it's gonna be worth it. Okay, so here's the first stripe. I'm not staying in any one spot too long because the color really goes right into those fibers. Okay, we did it. I think it went well, and here is always the best part when you're a masking thing. It's the big reveal. So let's see if it worked. We did it! It worked! It worked. Some colors are a little more subtle than other colors, but I love it. I'm super excited with how it turned out. It's gonna live on our front doorstep. It kind of just brightens up the welcome to our home. I think it's a fun way to add some color on the outside of your house and kind of let your guests know like what to expect when they walk into your house. As far as ease of the actual project, I was really truly surprised at how easy it was to cut apart that mat, which kind of makes me start daydreaming about other doormat projects that you could do. Kind of the sky's the limit once you know how to cut it and manipulate it. I also was really pleased with how it took on color. Obviously some of the colors were maybe a little more subtle or a little more bright than others, but overall, because of the palette that I was using, I really love how it turned out. I think it's kind of my perfect rainbow, so I was really excited about that. I hope you liked it. I really like it a lot, and thanks so much for having me, Apartment Therapy. Bye.